All right, Tev, what are we about to do?
Something super cool.
Y'all gonna hold this door open?
Nah, dude.
I didn't know you
We didn't even know you were back there, man.
Hashtag selfish.
Hashtag Warner Brother.
Yeah.
But no, so we're headed down. Actually, before all this, welcome to the build series part whatever it is.
Oh, yeah.
On the Silvia. We're doing something a little bit different and something that you guys have never really seen on any of our cars. Is we're taking this long journey right across the parking lot going down to the paint shop, and we're gonna get you guys some footage of I guess they're doing body work today, so we want to kind of check in and see what's going on with the Silvia. They actually sprayed the front bumper, the fenders, the lip. We're gonna go get some nice footage for you guys.
Hey, real quick, I'm glad this grass is mowed because it would have sucked.
Dude, I've walked across here before to like pick something up, thinking it was gonna be nice and dry.
Yeah.
And it was straight swamp. So here's the car. You guys have seen it several times, but they've done a little bit of patchwork, you can see, but they're gonna get it ready and prepped for paint today. So they're gonna be going through and sanding. We'll try to get one of those guys to kind of explain what they're doing. But man, I can't wait. You guys know kind of the color scheme. I can't wait to show them the white.
Yeah.
Because we just got a few of the panels back.
Yeah,
you can see
nice.
the overs over there on the rack. They're kind of primered up, and they're going to get that prepped up, ready to spray as well. So, you're so strong.
30 years in this place.
So this is Jason, and he's the owner of Nick Rain's Garage. You were explaining we've got the Go Jacks, so we're going to get the car over here in the light.
Yeah, we do all of our prep work over in the light.
Yeah.
And the Go Jacks just make it, they're phenomenal tools to have. Take it over there, get it staged, sand one side, and spin it around, hit the other side.
Yeah.
Makes it nice.
Oh yeah. Jason brought the scissor lift over here. Wants Kevin to get some cool shots up on this thing. What do you think?
What?
That's gonna be cool, right?
Yeah, getting shots up there is gonna be cool.
So you guys know Travis.
Yeah.
That's CJ's cousin, right?
Huh?
You're CJ's cousin?
No.
You're not
We're just
family?
friends, but he's my
You grew up
brother.
in you grew up in the same place, right?
Yeah.
Up in Maine. They've known each other for a long time.
First, what we're gonna do is start off with 400, rough it up, and then we're gonna come back and smooth it all out with 600, make it super fine so the paint lays nice and slick.
Cool.
So far, I've only installed 3 out of 27 lamps, but I'll probably need a welding helmet when I go in there to paint.
Oh yeah?
It's gonna be so bright.
Oh my gosh. 27?
24 more to go.
Oh, this is gonna be super bright.
Just waiting on the parts to get here.
This is cool, man.
I don't think the camera does it justice to
Nah.
how bright
No, these are already.
It's adjusting.
Yeah, these. Yeah, exactly. It's getting darker as you see, but it's way brighter.
That's gonna be insane.
Yeah, you want to see what it did have?
Oh, it was all fluorescent. Ooh.
Yeah.
It's probably hard to see a lot in here with just that. Was that all the way around?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're very.
Gosh, that's
very
hard to
bright.
look at.
It is. Well, that's why I had to put the diffuser in there.
Yeah.
I didn't have the diffuser in at first.
Oh my
And it
gosh.
was just
Way.
look straight at the
You
strips.
accidentally get a peek of it, and it's like hitting like accidentally looking at a welder.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
All your paints and stuff, man.
yeah.
That is
I didn't
cool.
actually know you had a paint mixing
I didn't either.
like deal over here.
Just got a new computer not too long ago. We got the camera for matching.
Nice. All right, guys. So they're gonna finish up prepping this thing. Oh, it's bright. They're gonna finish up prepping this thing and making it look beautiful. And then we'll come back here when they're about ready to spray and get a few shots for you guys for that. But you're going to be a little bit blue balled at the end of this video because we're not going to show you.
Yeah.
We're going to do a reveal video for you guys once everything's back together, and it's going to be sweet. So we're going to check out a couple shots back here because we're thinking about doing a video behind this spot. So we're going to look at this real quick, and we'll see you in a little bit for those next shots. All right, guys, so woo! This thing is absolutely gorgeous, insane. The paint color, I mean, it's just insane. There's so much pearl in this, white and the purple. This is actually a custom purple that Jason, our paint guy, mixed up. It's one of a kind purple. It's absolutely insane. Sorry, there's some noise here. Josh is tuning the Supra. But we've got all the body panels back on. There's still a few things I gotta button up. I gotta get the GT wing on. We gotta get the windows back in, and then in the next vlog you'll see we've got a million other things to do to this. So we've got the entire interior to put back together. We've got some new suspension stuff that's really sick. That'll actually get us sitting a little bit better and a little lower too. We've got some super sick secrets I won't even tell you to do to this thing, so it's going to be sick. It is sick. It's gorgeous. I love this paint, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the little bell notification, like, share it with your friends, be like, hey, your S chassis is not this cool, and we'll see you on the next one.